Dingo and Rolly's Awesome Up.
The name's Bingo. I am Rolly the puppy.
Up or down, here or there, opposites are everywhere. Let's find them.
Sounds like we have a mission. Let's puppy dog do this.
Choose a pair of opposites to explore. Big and small. Free play. Let's play with the puppies to explore opposites. Big.
This isn't just an ordinary ball.
Small. 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 Big. Free play. Card match. Big is the opposite of small. Find all the cards that show big.
Genius!